Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get videos on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding videos to your Squarespace site can enhance your content and engage visitors effectively. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon, and of course click the account dashboard that would lead you to the site that you are working with. Here, this is going to be where the fun starts. Once you are inside the editor or the website builder, I want you to click on the add block option here. Now, obviously, we're going to choose the video. Now, in this video on the upper left corner, you have the option on click on edit. You can add a video wherein you can upload a file. You can select from library. For example, this is going to be given if you have like a multiple files already stored here. Remember that the video storage is only 30 minutes. All right, click on close. I'm gonna click on edit again because we're looking for other options. If you want to add from link, either from YouTube or Vimeo. So in this case, I'm gonna put our GPLAF's YouTube URL. If you haven't already, you might wanna click on the subscribe button so you'll get notifications on our latest content. We are here to help you solve your problems quickly. After copying the URL, I'm gonna switch over to the Squarespace, and from there add the YouTube link. All right, click that. Or if it's not working, I'm gonna switch over again here, copy the link, hover back to the editor. All right. Or if you wanted to add a Vimeo link, you're also welcome to do that as well. So these are going to be your options. All right. You can also upload a custom featured image. And the video settings are only available for uploaded videos. Autoplay can be set when mute video is enabled. Another option that you can do is add block. And of course, click on the code, wherein if you want to embed a video here, you're welcome to do so. Just type in the code. For example, this is going to be the video. I'm going to click on copy embed code and switch over to the Squarespace. You see that? Click on that. Click on copy, paste it, and that's going to be the video. All right. Basically, that's how you get videos here on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.